I have already said it cannot be detected by our eye or photographic plate. It can be detected by bolometer or thermopile. And the nature of thermal radiation depends on temperature. This is important. The nature of thermal radiation depends on temperature. Therefore, different stars have different thermal radiation because their temperatures are different. Therefore, they have different natures of radiation. The thermal radiation that is emitted from the stars are different. And when the thermal radiation is observed by a certain body, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट थर्मल रेडिएशन को ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है, तो वो जो थर्मल रेडिएशन इट प्रोड्यूसेस हीट. The body which observes thermal radiation produces heat. And whenever thermal radiation falls on a body, it is partly reflected, partly observed, and partly transmitted. Reflected, observed, and transmitted. Reflected, observed, and transmitted. But we'll read about perfect black body, or the bodies which approach a black body are completely observing in nature. They totally observe the radiation falls upon them. Perfect black body, of course, there are no 100% perfect black body, but their nature approaches 100%. So, but in general, whenever radiation falls on a body, it is partly reflected, partly observed, and partly transmitted. So these are most of the properties of thermal radiation. There are some properties of thermal radiation which are not same as that applied. आगे हम उसका भी डिस्कशन करेंगे जब एमिसिव पावर, ऑब्जर्वेटिव पावर, ट्रांसमिशन पावर, ये सब डिस्कशन करें, एमिसिविटी, ये सब डिस्कशन करेंगे. वहाँ वो लाइट का प्रॉपर्टीज से थोड़ा वेरी करता है. So this is here ends the thermal radiation and its properties. फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे.